Yes, sir.
Yo.
Sa Barbero episode what, bro?
39.
39 mga
Sa audio namin, okay na ba ngayon? Wala na ba
Ganda
tayong
na-
static?
Na-enjoy ko yung ating audio, ah.
Yeah,
Wala nang
sounds good, right? Yeah, I think it sounds good.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. You look good.
You look good.
Siyempre.
I am handsome.
Yo, bro. You have to feel handsome for you to
Yes, sir.
look handsome.
Yes, sir.
Never ever feel that you're ugly.
Yes, sir. Long sleeve day po kami ni JP ngayon at medyo malamig na dito sa Antarctica.
Ito North Pole. North Pila.
Yeah, North Pila is where we're at. Man, what a day. What a busy
Yeah,
day.
man, it's been 2 weeks na
2 weeks.
wala tayong podcast. And yo, sa mga nag-abang, pasensya na po. Talagang ang dami nating kailangang gawin at
Ang dami
tapusin.
Yeah.
Madami din ginagawa si Mr. Bubs nyo. Ang aking Kuya Bubs na talaga namang napakasipag at napakatindi at napakabait.
And sa napakasibag kong brother, JP Bacalian sa
Yeah.
congratulations on the new release.
Yeah, yo, Fighting For You out now sa lahat ng music platforms. And abangan din po natin yan sa paglabas sa Wish 1075.
Yeah, grabe yung nangyari sa'yo this past 2 weeks. You came from Cambodia
Yeah, bro.
after our episode, di ba? The following
Oo.
day. How was that? How was the experience? Before we start, sorry.
Oo nga pala. Oh, ano
Before we start, we would like to thank Beladi for sponsoring.
Ayan, nakikita niyo ba si
Yes.
Beladi?
Maraming salamat Beladi for sponsoring this video. And then if you would like to sponsor us also, please message us.
Kung gusto niyo mapabilang dito sa sa hilera ng mga malulupit,
Yes.
send us a message if you want to be a sponsor and if you want to be part of the Usapang Bero.
Pero, usapang Bero.
Usapang Bero.
Yeah.
Usapang Barbero family, man.
Yes. You guys check their Facebook page out
Yep.
if you would like to have a peaceful, super ganda ng ambience.
Malamig na
Yes.
lugar.
Yeah, check out Beladi.
Tahimik.
Mhm.
Magandang landscape.
Beladi number 2.
At yun, yung Beladi na, ay grabe, nakita ko yung Beladi number 2. Patapos na bro.
Yeah.
Nakita
Susunod
ko
doon na
yung
tayo
progress,
mag-podcast pag opening dun tayo.
Doon
no?
sa may
Sa
sa
gitna.
may entrance.
Yeah.
Angas natin nun.
Yeah.
At gagawin talaga namin yun.
We will.
Yeah,
Mark our
bro.
words.
And
But yeah, man.
Beladi is about to conquer the world.
Yeah. Yeah. Doing big moves. The Beladi team.
Yeah, big shout out to the Beladi team.
Yes.
Sa lahat ng taong bubuo ng Beladi. And
Yes.
to the owners, big
Yes.
shout out sa inyo. lahat.
Shout out.
And thank you so much for supporting Usapang Barbero.
Yes, sir. And going back to Cambodia. Beladi to Cambodia. Grabe.
Beladi to Cambodia. O, di ba? Baka
Yeah.
may magkakaroon rin ng Beladi sa Cambodia.
You never know. Yeah. God is right there.
But yeah, before we start, can you explain what Babs is?
Yes, mga kababs. Babs app is a home service barber booking app where you can book a barber or barbershop na napili nyo. Sila na yung pupunta mismo sa bahay nyo para servicean kayo. It's that convenient.
Yes.
Everyone's using it right now. You might as well use it too. If you haven't downloaded, late ka na. Pero hindi pa never too late.
Oo,
Gamitin mo
naman.
na siya ngayon.
And for you to experience the convenience, tulad ng, for example, you have a meeting around 4 to 5 p.m. You
Yes.
can actually book or set an appointment at around 3 p.m.
Yes.
At ang ating mga barbero ay kukontakin po kayo agad-agad
Yes.
for them to be there on time. And syempre, para mabibigyan kayo ng magandang gupit and convenient. Ganun ka-convenient si Babs, bro.
Yes.
Hindi lang para sa kliyente. Para din yan sa ating mga barbero if they want to have a different experience.
Talking about para sa mga barbero. What do
Mm.
they need to download, my G?
Babs.partner on Google Play Store at syempre Babs.partner also sa Apple Store.
Yes, sir. So, ganun lang kadali. Download nyo na. It's free to download. Wala kayong babayaran para i-download yung app namin. It's free.
It's all free.
You want to make money? It's free.
O, di ba? Ganun lang.
Yeah.
Kailangan mo lang mag-effort para gumawa ka pa ng mas maraming pera.
Yeah. Talk about one of the barbers.
Mm.
Actually, interviewin ko siya for a content. Kasi
Okay.
gusto kong marinig sa kanya. Live ko interviewin kung magkano na-generate ni Mike.
Oh,
sa
this
app.
is Mike.
Yeah, I think we were checking. I think he generated around 10,000 from the app already. Yeah,
Damn.
10,000 pesos.
Imagine.
Yeah.
Taga-pila si Mike. Taga dito yan si Mike.
Santa
And-
Cruz.
Santa Cruz pala. And yung communicator niya is around from this place.
Yeah.
Na sobrang lapit lang. Magmamotor lang siya.
Yeah.
Tapos 10,000 ka na.
Yeah, shout out sa iyo, Fake Barber. Congratulations for generating that much. Around 10,000 na siguro, Joy, no? Mike,
And yeah,
ballpark.
sipagan mo palalo, Kuya Mike. Sobrang
Yeah.
lupit ng ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
Be the first example.
Yes. Yes.
You are good.
Man, ganda ng audio natin ngayon, no?
Oo nga,
Can you hear it?
natutuwa ako eh.
Ano, parang tayo nasa radio station. Pakinggan mo nga Joy live sa'yo sa phone mo. Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah, so how's our audio, guys?
Yeah, please
Kasi
comment
kami
below.
nag-e-enjoy kami ngayon. Mukhang
I know.
tuloy-tuloy na pag-uusap to.
I know.
And going back to...
Cambodia.
Oh,
Man, how was the
one.
how was the experience?
Yeah, first and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Sandman Promotion for including me sa Sandman team. And to my brother JC Manong Kill, man. Big
Yeah.
shout out sa'yo, bro. And to the champ Marlon Tapales and Coach Ernel Fontanilla, thank you so much. And big shout out also to Hyatt Regency sa pagbibigay sa amin ng tahanan for 1 week.
Yeah.
It's a good experience. The
Hyatt?
food, Hyatt.
Wow.
Hyatt Regency.
That
I will
was like-
never forget that place.
Woo.
I love Cambodia, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. True,
I
true.
haven't been, but you know,
This is
their
my first
culture-
country though, and I wanna give thanks to my brother.
Yeah.
Bugoy na koy. Kung di dahil kay Koy, di tayo natuloy dyan.
Yeah.
Kung di dahil sa ideya ni Koy. Because supposedly I have a gig, right?
Yeah.
Supposedly I have a gig on that day. But, yun nga, hindi pa nagda-down yung kliyente.
Yeah.
So, nangyari, sinabi sa akin ni Koy na, teka lang, piliin mo mag-ibang bansa kasi bibigyan ka niya ng mas magandang experience.
Yes.
At magbabago talaga ang tingin mo
Yeah.
sa mundo
Yeah.
once you get there. And he is very right.
Yeah.
Bugoy was very right na talaga nagbago yung paningin ko at pananaw ko sa mundo because of having a different experience abroad.
Yeah.
Isipin mo for free, pupunta ka lang doon, tapos kakanta ka, you know.
Yeah.
It's a very good experience.
And mo, hindi
And-
naman basta lang nangyari yun eh. All
Hindi.
your effort from your career
Oh, yes.
took you there.
Yes, of
You know what I'm
course, of
saying?
course.
But it's an
And,
opportunity that you grab.
Exactly right. And
Yeah.
it's by God's grace kung
Amen.
bakit tayo napunta doon at kung ba't ko rin na-meet si JC.
Mm.
Yeah.
Right.
It's
Right.
an unforgettable experience, bro. Yung mga tao doon, mababait. Parang mga, Filipino vibe din.
Yeah.
But the support of the Cambodians are way too different, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, yun lang yung kakaiba sa kanila. Because if they're going to support someone all out,
Yeah.
because nag-live, diba? The fight was live. A lot of Cambodian people are supporting Marlon Tapales.
Wow.
Sa
Wow.
comment section.
Wow.
And this fucking Filipinos right here. Sila yung sobrang daming hate na sinasabi sa kapwa Pilipino.
Grabe naman kayo.
Right?
Grabe naman kayo.
Alam mo yun,
Yeah.
it's very different. It's very different there.
Yeah.
Oo, para sila mga Pilipino, pero yung support system ng
Diba?
Cambodian para sa Cambodian, tipong Pilipino nga yung nandun eh.
Yeah.
Yung mga comments ng Cambodian kay Marlon,
Sila pa.
thank you so much, champ, you did a
Wow.
great job, blah, blah, blah.
Wow.
Tapos makikita yung mga Pinoy, tangina,
Yeah.
boy gapang, blah, blah, blah. Yun yung mga nababasa ko eh.
Wow.
You don't have
Sad.
any experience, bruh.
Yeah.
Boxing
Yeah,
is
it's
way
a whole
too
different
different.
level.
Go inside the ring and then do the talk shit inside the
Yeah.
ring.
Yeah.
You know, man. And,
Totoo
yun lang. Ano pa ba? Yeah, na-enjoy ko talaga yung personality ng mga Cambodians.
Nice. And you know, it gave me the goosebumps nung pinost mo na yung
Performance.
first ring walk mo.
Yeah, bro.
And outside the country.
Man,
You
alam
know
mo
how
bang...
proud I was, bro?
Yeah, man.
I was super proud.
Thank you
G.
so much, yo. To the brothers, man, I saw how proud are they.
Mhm.
Alam mo yun, sinend sa
Yeah.
akin ni brother
Yeah.
yung video nila by watching me live eh.
Yeah.
Mas maingay pa sila ron sa crowd dun sa Cambodia. Pero malakas yung crowd ng Cambodia
Yeah.
even though they do not understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Malakas talaga.
They can feel your energy. They can feel your tone.
Yeah, bro.
They can feel you. Bro, it gave me the goosebumps. Yung
Wow, I'm
mga fireworks ka pa, oh. Dang!
So, parang wrestler eh. Yeah, alam mo ba bro, di dapat yun matutuloy?
What?
Tangina.
Yeah.
Tikpang di matuloy yun kasi di sila ganun ka techy in terms of the copyright shit.
Okay.
Kasi, di ba, pag meron kang copyright na lalabas dun sa video in terms of my music,
Yeah.
meron kasi dun na magsasabi ng this, some countries may not be playing your track
Yeah.
because of the rights.
Yeah, copyrights. Yes.
Pero kailangan mo lang i-dispute yun.
na ikaw yun.
Kailangan lang i-dispute yun ng mismong may-ari ng page
Yes.
para hindi
Mablock.
madali or
Mhm.
ma-block or ma-turn down ng
Mhm.
Facebook page.
Yeah.
Man, sobrang pressured ako nun bago ako umakyat. Sa bigla sinabi, we cannot play it with the
Ah.
audio. We cannot play it with the track because we will be copyrighted. Pinakita nila sa akin yun. Noong una, sobrang na ano ko, what?
Yeah.
Wait, paano?
Yeah.
Siyempre, di ako pakali. Kasi nasanay din akong may road manager na mag-aasikaso nun. Wala akong road manager nun. Ako lang nandun eh.
Ikaw si manager, ikaw si performer.
Oo. Nagbigay din sa akin ng experience na tangina para akong ito yung dati. No, I will not allow this shit to happen.
Yeah.
I'm here because I have to perform.
Yeah, there you go. That's the spirit.
So I talked to the director. No, bro.
Yeah.
I will talk to my producer.
Yeah.
I will fix this.
Yeah.
And I will sing. And I will make sure that your video is not gonna be blocked.
Yeah.
Ganyan ako si Direk. Yo, Direk Funman Sang. Yo, Direk, if you're, I know you, I hope you will watch this, but yeah. And yun, sinabi lang, okay.
Yeah.
We got you.
Yeah.
Go ahead, perform.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
The pressure, bro, nung sinabi sa akin ni JC na, mga copyright daw sila. Fuck, parang walang gumagawa ng paraan para makapag-perform
Ikaw
ako.
rin talagang
Ako pala
kikilos.
dapat.
Yes.
Malapit na yung kung main event na.
Yes.
Ginalawan ko na pinilit ko talaga. Tell them that
That's
I promise you, it's not gonna be blocked. I'm
Yeah.
here to perform. Fuck.
That's why.
Sabi ko kay Jay-Z,
Yeah.
bro, hindi ako papayag. Wait, diyan ka muna.
No, that's why. You know what I've noticed? Throughout the video while you were performing, at the end, you had this fierce look. Na I did
Yeah.
this.
Yes.
Kasi something was happening before that pala.
Oh.
Nakita mo ba yung mata mo? Nung after,
Yeah.
yung parang,
Ah.
yeah. May
Let's have
nangyari.
a round of applause for the champ.
Yeah. You know what's crazy too? I mean, while you're explaining this, when people are watching a certain thing, or yung nakikita nila through videos, they think everything just happens just like that. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro. They
Yeah.
just see what's on the TV, bro.
Yeah. Kaya minsan talaga, people, kailangan nilang lawakan yung isip nila na, kasi ganun sila eh. Even in boxing, right?
Mhm.
Ganun sila eh. Sana ganito mo. Even in our podcast sometimes, you should have said that. You should have said this.
Yeah, bro.
It's different when you're the
When
one
you're
on
the
the spot.
one who's fighting,
when you're the one who's singing, when you're the one who's
Who's talking.
talking. Yeah.
it's different feels.
Yes.
It's different
Try
vibe.
it first before you judge someone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
But people will,
That's part of it.
and it's fine.
Yeah,
You know, it's
it's like
fine. People will always
Say
say
something.
things.
Yeah.
Pero yun naman, ikaw talaga ang dapat mas
Mhm.
marunong na umintindi.
Yeah.
At kung alam mong nakaaangat ka sa part na pag-understand ng isang tao,
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
You don't have to fight back.
Yeah.
You don't have to waste your energy proving someone
Mm-hmm.
na tawag dito, you don't have to look down on me.
Yeah.
No, you don't have to do it. You
Yeah.
just gotta keep working.
Yeah.
Show them the fucking result and that's it.
Yeah.
You don't have to say things.
Yes.
No? Yeah. man.
Action will speak louder.
Exactly right.
Yeah, I heard that. When did I hear that? This time around, when I heard that term, action will always speak louder than words. It
Yes.
hit me differently. Kasi naririnig ko naman yung dati.
Oh.
I don't know what I was going through. But
Oh.
when I heard that term, the
Oh.
action will always speak louder than words. So
Uh-huh.
prove it by action every time. I was like, oh.
You
And
gotta
I'm a
keep
man of my
working.
action, bro.
Yes. Oh, fuck yes.
You know? So that's why parang nag-hit sa akin yung parang, okay, yeah, dude, I'm a man of my action. Yeah, I do speak a lot too,
Yes.
but I prove it with my actions every
Yes.
time. You know what I'm
Yes.
saying? So there's nothing
You're that
more to
kind
prove.
of person that when you say it, you gotta fucking do it. You're
Yeah.
that kind of person.
Thank you.
And ako, aminado naman ako minsan na
No, you're doing your best.
oh yes. Yun nga, yun nga sinasabi ko, I will do my best.
Yeah, you
But
always
no
do your best.
promises. I will do my best.
Yeah.
You know,
But
I'm
I
that
think you're
kind of
getting to
person.
the point that once you speak it too, you're right there.
Yeah, but sometimes, I choose not to speak it.
Yeah. Yeah, you might as well prove it with your actions.
Oo, ayoko na muna.
Yeah.
Sige. Tignan muna natin.
Yeah.
Tignan muna natin yung action no, yung magiging sitwasyon bago ko sabihin.
Yeah.
Pero
Yeah.
sa utak ko, kailangan ko i-claim.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
What else happened to you? Ako na mag-update sa kanila.
Go ahead. What happened to...
To you muna.
Ako muna.
Hingi lang po kami water medyo. Kasi nag-long sleeve pa kasi tayo. You know? Sinabay ako kasi si JP naka-long sleeve.
Yo, kakagaling ko lang kasi ng training. Tapos,
Boxing na si JP today.
Tapos basta may nakuha lang akong damit kasi dala ko nga lahat ng laundry ko dyan eh.
Yeah.
Oh,
On the move.
Wala na akong brief eh.
One more update for JP Bakayan, man. One of the things that hasn't happened to you for quite some time now is your Wish performance.
Yes.
And I was so proud. I wish I was there, but time really didn't permit me.
It's all good. You know?
I had something going on. Pinag-usapan natin to, di ba? Naalala mo, nung gugupit pa lang, dati pa lang, wala pa. What I mean is, wala pa yung release ng track.
Oh.
Di ba? Yung, Kuya, I'm gonna take you to the Wish performance. I promise you that we're gonna be there. Pero ako yung hindi talaga nakapag
It's okay.
I had a chance.
Mukhang sa Wish Music Awards ka sasama.
Man! Yeah, mark this. This song is something. How was the performance, G? How was you tell them how you feel.
Oh, okay, sige.
So para maintindihan nila yung feeling ng kasi iba yung performance sa stage, iba yung performance sa ganung level na Wish.
Iba.
Yes.
Well, yung performance was solid as fuck.
Yeah.
Hindi siya typical na hindi siya typical na tono.
Yeah.
Actually, bro, bago ako sumalang,
Yeah.
nag-practice talaga ako nung umaga.
Yeah, I called you.
Kuya Tyra was practicing too. Kasi ang hirap talaga kantahin ng kanta namin.
Live.
Hindi siya talaga biro.
Yeah.
Alam niyo ba guys, na-record ko yun, punch in.
Yeah.
Yeah, punch in. Same as sa pahina before. Punch in. When I say punch in, it's line by line. Hindi siya yung buong hook agad.
Yeah.
Hindi. For you to be safe, you gotta do punch in. So, yun, pinractice ko siya. Nung una, di ko talaga makuha.
Yeah.
Makuha. Teka lang, voicing ako.
Yeah.
I started practicing around 9 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Dire-diretso na yun kasi ang call time namin is 4:30.
Yeah.
9 a.m. di pa talaga mabuksan yung vocal cords ko. Ayaw pa talaga. Siguro mga nakatatlong take na ako nun. Tapos, 4th, 5th, wait. I'm a shadow box. Shadow box ako ng mga 2 rounds.
Yeah.
Then I sang again.
Yeah.
Then voicing.
Yeah.
Nakuha ko na. Alam nyo, doon ko rin na-realize na kung talent lang ang meron ka, and you're not working on it, it's trash.
May nagsabi rin ng ganyan, di ba? Talent is not.
It's not enough.
Yeah.
You gotta work on it.
Yeah.
And that's what I did.
Yeah.
Kasi nakalimutan ko na kailangan ko siyang access. The pressure must be on my diaphragm, not on my throat.
Yes.
Because I've been singing throaty.
Yeah.
And that's bad for to all the singers who's been watching me, to all the singers na nanonood ngayon. It's bad to use your throat while you're singing. Never, ever use the throat.
Yes.
Never do it like this. Kung sobrang taas na, do it like this.
Yeah.
Use your nasal, use your diaphragm. So that's what I did.
Yeah.
Exactly right. The pressure must be right there.
Oo nga, no? Iba boses ka. Yeah.
The pressure must be right there. So, ayun. Ang dami, sobrang pressured, sobrang solid, sobrang saya. Kasi nung nakuha ko na siya, okay, I'll rest now. Nakuha ko na eh.
Yeah.
Pinapakinggan ako ng helper ko.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, noong una nga, di mo kuha.
Just,
narinig niyo eh.
at least honest.
Kailangan eh. Sumasabi talaga ako eh. Totoo.
JP baka yan sumabit.
It's normal na pumiyok ang mga singer, man. Sumasabi talaga ako noong una.
Yeah.
So doon ko na-realize na, fuck it, medyo para akong nagiging amateur sa pagkanta ulit
Yeah.
I have to sing it every day now. That's what I'm doing. I'm singing it every day. Fighting for you, I'm singing it every day.
Ako din eh.
Alam ko.
Every time mag-jogging na ako.
So yeah, man. Fighting for you. So, fast track na tayo sa
Yeah, sa bus na
Wish.
mismo.
Nandun na kami.
Yeah.
I'm very happy because I felt the love of the people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I went there.
Yeah.
I went there doing my vlog,
Yeah.
explaining stuff, how grateful I am.
Yeah.
4 years in the making kasi yung kanta.
Wow.
I felt the love of the people.
Wow.
Yeah. And nandun na. Dumating si Kuya Tyro around 5:20, 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 na.
Ano oras ka dumating?
Maga ako dun. 1 hour before dun na ako.
Damn. So, lalo akong kinabahan na.
Di naman.
Pero may
Kumbaga,
nakakaramdam ka ba ng kaba ba?
of course. Hindi yan mawawala, bro.
Yeah.
Hindi mawawala ang kaba sa performance.
Yeah.
And it's a good thing pag kinabahan ka kasi mas bukas vocal cords mo.
And they said, pag kinakabahan ka, it's because you want to do so good.
Yes.
That
It's
means you
scary.
care.
Oo.
Yeah.
It's scary. Pero, alam mo, nung kinanta na namin siya, first take lang okay na.
Yeah?
First take lang.
Wow.
We did the second take,
Yeah.
pero mas okay yung pinakauna.
Yeah, kasi nandun yung
Andun
soul.
yung gigil naming
spirit.
dalawa eh.
Yeah.
Kung mapapanood niyo po yung mini vlog na ginawa namin, makikita niyo rin kung paano kami kumanta ni Tyro.
Iba nga yung atake niyo eh. Binago niyo talaga.
Hindi yun binago.
O talagang parang
Alam mo kung-
tawag-tanghalan kayong dalawa na bang.
Ganun talaga ang ano.
Mm.
Parang iba ba yung tunog nung live
Yeah,
performance
yeah,
namin?
for some reason.
It's different.
Parang ang taas lalo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tama ang key siya. Kaya lang siguro siya malakas kasi yung mic for my recording sa vlog ko nandito nakasabit. So mas rinig talaga
Oo.
yung kapal ng boses namin compared dun sa
Recorded.
sa audio track.
Yeah.
Sa instrumental.
Yeah.
Iba talaga.
I can't
Yeah.
wait to watch it, man.
Okay, yo, Wish 1075, release it
Yeah.
ASAP.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Man, when was the last time you performed sa Wish? Parang interview ni JP Bacalian to eh, no?
Oh my, it was ano ba? Nung nag-usap kami ni Miss Alice, DJ Alice. Sobrang tagal rin namin magkakilala ng DJ na yan. Because
Yeah.
I've been to Wish for how many times?
Yeah.
Tawag dito. I think it's 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Wow.
2 years ago. Was the last song that I performed there was Tattoo.
Yeah.
And yun. Sobrang higpit. Sobrang ano na rin talaga ng game ngayon sa kahit yung upload for the Wish.
Iba na.
The big is, I mean, sobrang laki ng competition.
Yeah.
Yeah, sobrang laki ng competition.
Yeah.
And yeah, at least I have done, I have checked
Yeah.
all the
This year.
checklists that I have to do.
Yeah.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Now I'm just waiting for it.
Yeah.
And then for all the major sponsors, I'm just waiting for it right now. I mean, I keep working. Keep on
Yeah,
working on
I
it.
see
Doon ko talaga binubuhos yung
Yeah.
energy ko sa track na yun.
Yeah. And
And-
you're supposed to, man. This track, for me, is timeless,
Yes, bro.
you know?
It is going to.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Fuck
crazy, no? Narinig ko ito before pa i-release, ilang months before. Pero you see how the way I'm still so hooked to it,
Uh-huh.
even though nakasave na yan sa phone ko. It's a different feeling when it's on a stream platform already.
Yeah, bro.
I feel like it, like what I said, congratulations. And then it took you 2 years to come back to Wish. You know,
Yes.
lahat ng pinagdaanan mo throughout 2 years,
Oh.
stepping back to that stage, to that bus, must have felt good.
I was so happy.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Talking to DJ Alice again, talking to the new management of Wish. Miss Meryl, big shout out to Miss Meryl.
Mhm.
Thank you so much. Tapos yung driver ng bus, siya pa rin yung nandun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just so
Ano, may
happy to see
tumatakbo
him.
ba yun habang
Hindi.
nagpa-perform ba yun?
Nandun lang yun.
Pero may time na tumatakbo yun, di ba?
When nag-perform ako one time, tumatakbo siya. Pero
Di ba mas
ngayon,
mahirap
nakaupo ko naman eh.
kahit natakbo?
Oo.
Hindi ba may mga alog-alog yun na konti? Siyempre, maapektan yung vocals mo.
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi.
Kaya ako tinanong yun, siyempre baka sila tinatanong din, paano kaya? Kasi isipin mo, sila nakatigil. Tapos kumakanta.
Mahirap
Paano
yun pag nakatayo ka tapos umaandar.
Siyempre.
Ayun, mahirap.
Mahirap
Ayun,
talaga
ako.
pag nakatayo, napas na andar.
Oo nga.
Oh, man. What else is the update with you, Jay?
Ano pa ba?
Ay, teka lang.
Oh.
Di ba pagkatapos ng release ng song,
Mm.
di ba nag-wish ka? Then
Oh.
you had a couple performances during this past.
I've been
Weeks.
doing studios.
Pero pinaperform mo na rin yun sa mga...
Pinerform ko, big shout out to Boost Bar and Lounge. That is the
Ayan.
first bar na pinerform ko yung kanta.
How's the reaction?
They're very happy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Iba yung giti, no?
I was very happy. Iba talaga. Iba yung naging set ko noon
Yeah,
sa Boost.
yeah,
Iba talaga.
yeah,
Ewan ko, parang nagbago rin. Ewan ko, the way I performed, fuck.
yeah. You're more, your soul is right there.
Hell yeah.
I feel like your more mature soul is now present again. Pati yung soul mo nag-grow eh.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah. I do.
2 joints Rostar, bro.
Yeah, man. It's just so funny how things works. You know?
Yeah, bro. Ang ina talaga.
Yeah.
Yun na masasabi mo eh. Pero thank God.
Yeah. Amen.
God is the greatest, bro.
Meron ka pang bagong lalabas sa project? Are we supposed to? Can we announce that? Oh yeah, na-post naman to sa social media, di ba?
What's this?
Your mixtape?
Oh, yes. Syempre, yung mixtape namin ni Bugoy na Koy Koy. Nasa Mindanao na si Bugoy ngayon. Tinatapos na raw yung pagsusulat.
Yeah.
Abangan yan. Dami rin talaga nag-aabang eh.
Ang dami na talaga nangyari sa'yo.
Yung pala, tayo na yung palang naririnig nila.
Eh.
Dami na lumalapit sa akin sa street. Nagsabi, narinig ko yung kanta nyo ni Bugoy. Narinig ko yung kanta nyo ni Bugoy.
Wala pa narinig.
Wala pa nga.
Yeah.
Wala
Narinig
pa
ko.
Hindi kasi meron doon release si Bugoy, di ba? Kung wala,
Yeah.
kung gano'n
Grabe yun.
mawalapit,
Grabe
dito
yun.
mumapit sa akin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alam mo, napaka-perfect doon. Nung narinig ko yung... I mean, on the spot ginawa ni JP yun, ah.
Oh,
Guys, I just want to say here live too.
Yeah.
Yung hook na yun, on the spot niya ginawa yun.
Oh. Na talagang ang
Sinabayan mo lang yung beat, eh, no?
ang unang beat pa dapat. Yung beat ni Samsara.
I know. Mag-astigs din sana yun.
Oo, kung medyo Latin type siya. But I think that is the exact beat na talagang meant dun sa
Yeah, sa hook.
hook na yun.
Galing. Kasi talagang bagay eh. Bagay kay BNK tsaka bagay sa'yo.
Oo, yung ano pa lang, yung trumpet part pa lang eh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kaya abangan yun. Tapos maglalabas din kami ng mixtape ni God Pooch.
Yeah.
And maglalabas din ako ng mixtape featuring BNK naman.
Damn. What a year for JP Bacalian, guys. Ano ba yung hand clap dito?
Hey, thanks.
Congratulations. And looking forward to more success.
To more works, to more jobs to be done.
Ilang
Ang mga alay kayo ha.
mga mangyayari pa sa'yo this year, bro. It's only September. May October, November, December pa.
Oo, 4 na buwan pa to bago matapos 2024. I think it's gonna be big. I just have to keep working.
It is gonna be big.
And yun nga pala. So yun nga, di ba, kwento ko na ulit nasa
Yeah.
Cambodia ako.
Yeah.
So, kinwento ko kay JC. Because JC is actually a very, very, very close friend of mine. Pero hindi talaga kami masyado nag-uusap. Pag magkasama lang talaga kami.
Yeah.
So, may mga OFW na mga singers din.
Mm-hmm.
Mga Pinoy.
Mm-hmm.
I just forgot their names. Tapos, kinwento ko kay JC, dapat nga mag-China ako eh.
Mm-hmm.
Gago ka pala eh.
Yeah.
Ganyan niya. Gago ka pala eh.
Yeah.
Bakit? Sukuan mo kung ano meron ka? Sabi niya sa akin. Hindi pwede yan.
Yeah.
Hindi yan pwede. Hindi ka para dyan. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi ka para dyan. Gusto mo yung ganyan?
Yeah.
Hindi ikaw yan.
Wait, are you talking about... Oh, ito ba yung sinabi mo sa akin na dapat you will...
Oh, I'll be flying to China.
Yeah.
I should, yeah.
Yeah.
But I think God forbids, God doesn't allow me to do it. So I'm staying here.
To perform, di ba?
To perform, yes. To be like that. To be a session, performer there.
Yeah.
Doing performance there.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, sabi niya. Tapos in-explain niya sa amin. Si Marlon, hindi ko alam na mag-world champion yan. Ang dami ko nang nalugi. Milyon na.
Binuhos
Milyon
mo.
na.
Yeah.
Na nasusunog sa akin.
Yeah.
Hindi ako sumuko.
Mm-hmm.
Dito pa rin ako. Yeah, may world champion ako, 2.
Yeah, I saw. Recently, right?
Yeah. It's the first world champion title defense that happened here in the Philippines, bro.
Wow.
First ever at 105 pounds.
Wow.
Minimum weight ba yun? Oh. And big shout out to
Bantam? Hindi ba bantam yun? O fly?
minimum.
Oh, may minimum
Weight. Oh. It's and big shout out to Senator Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah.
For funding it,
Okay.
letting it happen.
Sama ka naman dito minsan, uncle. Tinatawagan kita sa
Blow by
Viber.
blow.
Yeah.
Yeah. And ayun, yun nga, in-explain niya na sa akin, si Coach Ernel, Coach Arnel Fontanilla is the head coach
Mhm.
that is nag-aalaga kay Kuya Marlon, kay
Yeah.
brother Marlon Tapales.
Yeah.
And nandito yan sa Pilipinas, kumikita. Dito yan sa Pilipinas for 9 months now.
Wow.
Doon kumikita siya ron $5,000 a day. Bakit siya nandito?
Yeah.
Kumbaga
Yeah.
pina-experience, pinasok na lang sa utak ko
Wake up call.
na diyan ka na eh.
I know. I know.
Diyan ka na eh.
Yeah.
Konting ano lang,
Yeah.
pupusi
Basta
out ka.
Yeah.
Well, syempre ganun talaga eh. Darating talaga tayo sa point na maglalaban
Choices.
ng pangangailangan at ang pangarap.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, lagi namang may risk eh. Baka hindi ka pa ron sa talaga magpapasaya sa'yo.
Yeah. Yeah. Minsan, naibibigay talaga sa'yo si God na challenge ng mga ganun na both presentable. Yung easy, ito, gusto mo easy way out, o gusto mo itong rough road, pero pag tinuloy mo itong rough road, maniwala ka lang
Very
sa akin.
worth
I'll
it.
take you even higher.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
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 And yeah,
Good
thank
choice.
God.
Good choice. Or else, wala si JP ngayon, nasa China. May ibig sabihin, usapang barbero natin. Chongqing na siyang...
Shit.
Shomai. Shopao. Di ba? Man.
Yeah, bro. Yun lang. Yeah, man. It was good. It was
And
good.
then now I heard you told me that you're boxing now. What brought you there?
Oh, what? The
boxing. What made you start?
Oh, kasi nung nasa Cambodia kami, wala kami ginawa kundi mag-mitts eh.
Yeah.
Parang nanggigilan din ako.
Yeah.
Tangina, ayaw ko pa naman eh. Pa.
Yeah.
Why shouldn't I try?
Yeah.
And
What feeling did it give you? Yun yung importante. What emotion did the whole boxing thing give you?
it pushes you to the limit
There you go.
and it will make you grow. Kasi boxing is not just boxing.
No, bro, nakapagod yun.
Boxing is not just power. Boxing is not just speed.
Yeah.
Boxing is accuracy
Yeah. Mental strength.
and
You have to be there.
form.
Yes.
That's it. That's boxing. It's science. Hindi lang siya
No. Hell no.
Hindi ka, doon ka man na-knockout.
Yeah.
So, yun yung nagbigay sa akin ng motivation na, kasi, nagkakaroon ako ng anxiety if I'm not moving.
Yeah.
It's my key.
Yeah.
You know, it's my key or my way out
Mhm.
para mas maging clear pa. So, sabi ko, so I chose na pahirapan ko pa yung sarili ko in terms of boxing.
It's growth.
And
Yeah.
I grow from the pain.
It's growth.
So, ayan, yun yung, hanggang ngayon, I've been doing boxing.
That's good.
Yeah, and meron ako mga levels na gustong maabot sa pagbaboxing. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
JP Bahal yan. World champion. Oh!
world champ.
First R&B singer na pumasok sa box. Meron bang ganun? May pumasok na bang R&B singer na boxer in the history? Wala pa na. Si Usher. Hindi na. Chris Brown.
Usher, kabakla nung pinairan.
Yeah.
Nakakayamot na yung mga idol ko sa scene. Puta mga bakla.
Yeah.
August Alsina, bakla. Putang ina naman. Pero di ako magiging bakla.
Yeah. It's crazy though, right?
Yeah,
Think about
bro.
it. But the boxing thing, that's good for you. Kasi I know the feeling also. Yung binibigay niya sa'yo, yung parang pagod na pagod ka na, pero you need to keep on going. You throw the right forms, this and that.
You have
Yung
to
breathing
throw
mo, di ba?
Ta.
Yeah, yung breathing mo, natuturuan ka rin mag-breathe.
Yes.
You know how to calm down. Yung parang lumiliit yung utak mo habang, sige pa, sinasabi sa'yo.
Yeah, you have to be, in throwing
Calm.
punches, you have to be calm.
Yeah.
Bawas gigil.
Yeah.
Ano lang, kumbaga, natutunan ko kay Coach Ernel, hulog lang, ihulog mo lang.
Yeah.
Huwag mong pangigilan. Hulog mo lang.
Yeah.
Hulog lang.
Tirada
Kasi, yung simpleng form na ganun, akala mo mahina yun, pag
No.
tumama yan.
Yeah, G.
Yeah. And also, big congratulations to Melvin Jerusalem, our world champion, man. Fuck, man. And big props to the Mexican too, bro.
Yeah.
First round, he was knocked down.
Yeah.
Kaso parang doon pa siya lalong lumakas.
Naging fire niya pala.
Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi biro. Sige mo, jet lag. May jet lag pa yun.
Yeah.
1 week lang siya dito eh.
Yeah.
Pero the heart
Diba?
of the Mexicans. Yun lang
Yeah.
lagi eh. Pag daw Mexicans talaga, they're dangerous.
Yeah.
Against Filipinos, they are dangerous.
Yeah.
Because of
An
the heart
ultimate
that we have.
rivalry yan eh, palagi sa boxing. Diba?
Mexico and
Yeah. Philippines.
Mexico, US, Philippines. Pero dami na talagang malulupit ngayon.
Yeah. It's a non-stop growth.
Yeah, man. Ang dami ko ng kwento, bro. Ikaw naman magkwento, bro.
Kwento ko. Ano to eh? Interview to JB Valiante. Oo.
JB Valiante.
This is our guest for today, mga kababs. Thank you for watching this episode. Marami na kayo natutunan. Yeah, bro.
Ikaw, kumusta ka? It's been 2 weeks. What have you done? What happened? Kasi ang dami talaga namin rescheduled na to dahil minsan babangga sa schedule ko. Kailangan akong humustle.
Yeah.
Minsan siya naman. Kasi
may ginagawa.
ito, malala to.
Yeah.
Ayun, paano nagpa-function tong taong to eh.
Switches. Turn off, turn on to isa, turn off to isa, turn on to isa. Minsan kailangan sabay mo ito turn on kasi sabay siya nangyayari.
Meron talagang ganun, no?
Mhm.
Na kailangan mo talagang i-turn on lahat. Yung nakakabaliw.
Yeah. Nangyayari naman minsan, no? Sabay talaga naka-on lahat. Pero like what I said from the previous episodes, if I can't handle that, how can I handle the bigger picture for in the future?
Very good
Kasi
mindset.
dun natin dadalhin tong Babs in the bigger picture, the bigger
Yes.
spaceship na magta-take off. So I stay calm when things are happening. I think it's through time too na binigay ni God na challenges from when I was younger to growing up na sabay-sabay. Actually, sinasabi, meron ngang isa nagsabi eh, you need to focus on one thing nga, di ba? To make that one thing great. But I think this time, hindi na uso yun eh. You really need multiple sources.
Oo.
Hindi na uso.
Talaga.
Hindi na,
Oo,
hindi ka
hindi ka-
sabay sa panahon.
Kailangan mo ipagsabay si money now and money later.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. So yun, it's just an art that you need to master.
Yeah.
Those switches. Yeah.
I think that is the very good factor about that also is the knowledge that you have given me
Yeah.
on being a chameleon.
Yeah. Adapt, di ba?
Yes.
You need to adapt to situations. Pag hindi ka magbe-blend in doon, ikaw din na masusunog.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And tawag dito, and sabi nga ni Robert Greene, the highest form
Mhm.
of knowledge is adaptation.
Yeah.
That's the
See?
highest form of knowledge,
See?
adaptation.
Yeah. So yun, this past 2 weeks is just my routine. Really. May mga nadadagdag.
Mm.
Kasi at the end of the day, I'm still a parent. I'm still a husband.
And hustler.
And yes, I'm a brother. I'm a son. I'm a
Yeah.
business with business, multiple connected na yung mga business. I enjoy it, bro.
I can see.
I enjoy the things that's happening. Kasi I look at it as a blessing. Kasi there's times that, yes, bro, tao din ako, na-overwhelmed din talaga ako sa mga nangyayari.
Nakakaubos din.
Pero pag babalikan ko yung where I came from before everything happened, I would rather take this hardship than the hardship that I had before. Gets? I prefer this more na mahirap pero my surrounding is happy. And I'm able to feed and the things that I'm capable of to do. Kesa nung dati na ang hirap, wala ka pang magawa. You know what I'm saying?
Mismo, no? Parang ganun
Yeah.
talaga ang
So you
buhay.
choose your hard. Anong gusto mong hard? Yung hard na wala ka, yung hard na meron ka. Di ba? Basic.
Exactly right,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Kumusta naman ang birthday? Yo! Happy birthday to Mrs. Babs.
Yeah. Happy birthday to my wifey. Ayun. This year was a very alam mo, ang masarap sa naging birthday ni wifey was napatay ko lahat ng switch.
Yes. From Thursday to?
Just one night.
Was it?
Yeah, it was just only one night.
Oh.
Oh, pero napatay ko lahat ng switches ko. Yung wala sa business, wala si nandun pa si Mr. Bern, nakapag-vlog pa ako. Pero yung switches ko na, what I mean is
100%
thinking about,
family.
yeah, yung thinking about this, yung nakatulog ako, G. I think I haven't done that in a long time. Yung nakatulog ako na wala akong iniisip. Kasi wala dun eh. All you could see was nature. Walang TV.
Talaga? Wala?
Walang TV.
Walang internet?
May internet. I was able to browse around. Pero yung wala akong pressure na, oh, tomorrow I gotta wake up kasi ito na mga kailangan kong gawin. Yung gumising akong kinabukasan, wala akong iniisip, kundi magbe-breakfast lang kami. And then ikot around and swim with the kids. It was a switch off for everything. So ito yung
naman.
sinasabi nilang breather na you need sometimes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Basta matagal kong di naramdaman yun, G.
I think you really need it.
Yeah.
That's why you felt that way.
Yeah. Yeah. I think naalala mo yung sinabi ni Frank. Yung
Oh.
sinabi ni Frank na isipin mong pag nagpapahinga ka. Doon hindi ko iniisip na nagpapahinga ako. Naramdaman ko talaga nagpapahinga ako. Gets? Yeah. I was like, wow.
Ang hirap din gawin kasi nung part na pag
Oh, yung...
isipin mo papahinga ka, parang
Oh, kasi yung dami tumatakbo sa isip mo.
Oo,
no?
parang
Ang
hirap
yun.
naman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung kailangan pa i-distract yung sarili mo para isipin mo nagpapahinga ka.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. But a lot of things, this past 2 weeks, a lot of new ideas has popped up. I don't know kung nakita ng mga ano, we're on target to open another Impeccable Shoes sa
Oh
Taguig.
yes, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're on target to open another one sa Mandaluyong.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Without the help of the team, it's
A
not
lot
gonna
of work
happen.
to do, huh?
Yeah, more work, more blessing.
The branch, Santa Ana, Taguig is
Taguig. It's a good one.
Manila.
Yeah. So papasukin na natin yung
The
Manila
Impeccable is
Impeccable
going to
Shoes.
be there. The competition is
Steve. Pero
Yes.
I mean, yun nga yung masarap dun eh. You know what I mean? Like dun ka challenge na
on how to innovate.
yeah,
improve
how
more.
to improve the business even more. For it to be scalable. Kasi hindi ka magiging scalable with no competition eh.
Exact. Totoo yan.
Yeah.
Totoo yan.
You know what I'm saying?
Totoo.
Hindi ka magiging level. Ito lang yung level mo kung wala ka nararamdaman ng competition. eh.
That's
Yeah.
very true. And that's what
Yeah.
I'm feeling right now.
Yeah.
Exactly
And
right.
you try
You're
to
right.
improve more when you feel competition.
You're right.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Totoo yan.
Yeah. What else? So far, same stuff, man. You know, just work,
Yeah.
family.
Yeah.
One story that I want to tell today is before tayo mag-start dun sa tatlong words natin is
Go ahead, brother.
earlier. I think nangyari din to last time for our last podcast. Earlier was tatakbo na ako. So, di ba nadaan muna ako sa church?
Yes.
What happened was, nung nagpa-pray na ako, nag-announce si Father, magsitayo ang lahat.
Okay.
So the mass was about to start.
Okay.
So I was in between of, man, tatakbo ako.
Makikinig muna ako dito sa
Or
misa.
diretso ko yung church. Kasi, syempre, parang pinapasok ko na ni God eh, no? So lumabas muna ako. And then, talagang parang hinatak ako pabalik, bro. Hinatak ako ni God pabalik. Hindi. Go to church.
Ah.
Yes. Pero spiritually, bro, I'm attached to him. Pero itong mga ganung circumstances. The homily was about si Mama Mary daw nasa labas while God was speaking. And then may nagsabi, oh, your mother was here. Sabi lang ni God, I can't exactly word by word ma-explain siya. Pero
Okay.
ang sabi, she listens to the word of God. Kasi, syempre, pag nanay mo, ganun,
Okay.
walang ganun. And there was so much in that story that humbles you at the same time. Kasi, during the homily, sabi ni Father na there's certain time na hindi mo kailangan to show for who you are. Doon ko narinig yung action speaks louder than words.
No.
Kanina sa homily. And then sabi doon, binagbigay ng example si Father. Sabi niya, so meron akong pupuntahan. Nasa SLEX ako, nagmamadali ako. Na-pullover ako ng HPG. Pullover daw siya ng HPG.
Wait, I think I heard the story from... Okay, go
Pero,
ahead.
pero syempre, pare dito, na-pullover daw siya ng HPG. And syempre, hindi naman na ginamit niya talaga yung pagka-priest niya. Pero sinabi niya was, officer, pasensya na po, may nahabol akong misa. So, feeling mo makaka-get off the hook ka, di ba? Syempre, may nahabol kang misa. May nahabol akong misa. Kaya yun, sabi ni officer, pasensya na po. Iglesia ni Cristo,
Tapos,
Magkaiba na religion.
Tapos?
So, binigyan pa rin siya ng ticket. So, it was, I think the lesson there was, sabi ni God, minsan papahiyain kita for you to learn. Hindi every time you're gonna win.
oh, yes, sir.
Yeah. And don't use my name in vain just to prove something to the people na yung sa tingin mo tama.
Uh-huh.
Don't use your own judgment.
That's what the priest says.
Yung parang ganun yung pagka-understand ko dun sa homily.
Oo.
And at the same time is the power of your connection with God na lang talaga. Every time.
Yeah, I can relate to that, no? Kasi
Yeah.
that's very true na hindi ka laging panalo.
Yeah.
Hindi ka
Yung pagkatalo mo, actually, yun pala eh. Yung pagkatalo mo is, yun yung magiging win mo later. Kasi
Yun
napigyan
yung-
ka na ng lesson ni God dito pa lang.
Yun ang uhubog sa'yo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, hindi lahat ng pagkatalo na tingin mong talo ay
Yeah.
talo.
Because in every loss, there's a lesson to learn. So you think of it as a win. Kaya ako na-experience to dahil merong lesson, valuable lesson na binigay sa akin si God.
Uh-huh.
So at the end of the day, it's not a loss. It's just the mindset, the way you look at it. Oh no, actually I won. Kasi may lesson na akong madadala for later.
Mismo.
Yeah.
Damn.
Very good homily. Very
Yeah.
good homily. A
Ah,
very
yun.
good. Talagang hinatak ako ni God dun eh.
Buti.
Yeah.
Buti
For me
nagpahatak
na-
ka.
Yeah. Bro, Papa, kaya ko ba? Hindi ko siya gets. You know, God always makes ways for you to learn also. Very
May mga times na talagang masakit.
Yeah.
No, but you have to endure.
yeah.
And speaking of endure.
Is that your first word?
Yeah.
Let me check my words.
Andiyan sinad ko sa'yo sa akin eh.
Yeah.
Endurance, pare.
Endurance. What about endurance, my G? You want me to start or you?
You want to start?
Ikaw muna para
Ako.
makita
Para
ko yung
sa
ano.
akin, ang take ko lang sa endurance ay, yun nga, di ba sinabi ko nga kanina na hindi ka laging panalo,
Mhm.
hindi laging aayon sa gusto mo,
Yeah.
yung mga bagay-bagay.
Yeah.
You just have to look forward, move
Yeah.
forward, and learn from it.
Yeah.
Tulad na sinabi ni Priest,
Yeah.
ng pare.
Yeah.
Ganun din eh. Hindi pa laging di porket na you're holding on to the promise
Yes.
that God and you have made,
Yeah.
hindi agad naman yun ibibigay sa'yo right in time.
Yes.
You have to prove yourself that you can endure everything
Mhm.
and you will give everything for you to get it.
Yeah.
So for me, that's my take sa endurance.
Yeah. For me, endurance is a valuable thing na kailangan natin. Kasi dyan mo masusubukan yung pagkatao mo, bro eh. But endurance is not, hindi lang yan nangyayari. It's built through lessons like what we spoke about earlier. It's built through pain na pinagdaanan mo. Kaya mo, in the future, kaya mo maging endure.
Endured, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Through all the things that you've been through. But I think one of the valuable thing is, in order for you to endure things, is you gotta be holding on to something or someone. That means my someone is si God. Yeah, you hold on to Him to endure all the things that's happening in your life and put the trust and faith
yeah.
sa Kanya.
The challenge of having the endurance is, alam mo yun, parang nakakapit ka na sa
Sa lubid, no? Yung
sa lubid ng may electricity ba?
yeah. Yeah.
Ganun kasakit.
Yeah. Yeah.
And kailangan mo yun maramdaman.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa mamanhid ka na and you'll get
Yeah.
used to it.
Yeah.
Tapos panibagong pain ulit.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love the pain.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. I could tell, bro. With that word endurance, and then I said trust, bro. How big for you is trust? Trust in yourself.
Trust in myself, very big. Very big.
In your first word.
Para
bro.
sa akin, that's your first word. Kasi, unang-una naman talaga sa lahat, ang unang magtitiwala talaga sa'yo ay ikaw.
Yeah.
Hindi, una si God, pangalawa ikaw.
Yeah.
If you're not going to trust yourself
Yeah.
sa vision mo,
Mhm.
sa dapat mong mangyari, then who will?
Yeah.
Di ka naman pwede pagkatiwalaan ni God nang siya lang magtitiwala sa'yo. Paano yun?
Yeah.
You gotta trust yourself.
Yes.
Big time, 100%. Kahit na sobrang dami ng doubts.
Yeah.
Because the doubts it's always there.
Oh,
It's
bigat nun
always
eh.
there. It's
Yeah.
always there.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just gotta, fuck it, God, let's go.
Yeah.
Give me the strength,
Yeah.
the wisdom. I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, trust in myself is very important. Sobrang laking bagay. Because
Mhm.
if I will just doubt myself, ako lang din stress eh.
Yeah.
pagkakatiwala ko na lang siguro sa sarili ko. And subok na rin naman,
Yeah.
saksing buhay na rin naman ako sa kung ano yung tinatao ko ngayon.
Yeah.
Na talagang malaki ang tiwala ko sa sarili ko.
Yeah.
Kahit sobrang labo na.
Yeah.
Malaki ang tiwala ko sa sarili ko. Meron pa ako nakasalamuha eh. Sabi niya, bakit sobrang taas ng confidence mo? Yeah, they question
They question it.
they
Yeah.
question it.
Yeah.
Yes, but alam mo sabi ko, it's because I love myself.
Yeah.
I love it. I
Yeah.
love myself. I have to love myself. I have to be confident. You have to see that I am confident.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, di mo naman ako kausapin kung di ako confident sa sarili ko eh.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, man. So yan. Ganon kahalaga ang trust
Super
para
super
sa akin.
important.
How about you?
The reason why I put that up is because in everything that we do, hindi pwedeng yung ano ka lang, yung parang confident ka nga, pero hindi mo talaga ma-feel sa sarili mo. Kasi parang kulang ka ng tiwala sa sarili mo. So trusting yourself really shows your true confidence.
Yeah.
Di ba? Trusting yourself really shows the true confidence.
Ito.
Kung may tiwala ka sa sarili mo, ang ibang tingin sa'yo ng tao is, masyado naman itong kumpiyansa. No! It's trusting yourself because you already implanted in your head na kaya ko to eh.
Yes, sir.
You get what I'm saying?
Kaya nga ako nandito eh.
Yeah. Pero ang mga tao na talagang maanong tiwala sa mga sinasabi nila and then napuprove nila by action kasi malakas yung hawak nila kay God.
Totoo yan.
You get what I'm saying?
Totoo yan. Kasi if you're just going to alam mo yun, without praying
Yeah.
and trust your skills,
Yeah.
talent,
Yeah.
guts, if you're not going to hold on to God, talagang promise, ubus ka.
Yeah.
Ubus
Yeah.
ka.
And with trust comes with for self lang ang in-implement ko dito, hindi yung
Yes.
sa iba. Kasi napag-usapan na natin sa ibang tao. Ito para sa sarili naman.
Sarili
natin, eh.
to.
Kasi yung pag pinagkatiwalaan mo sa sarili mo, you can do anything. You know?
Totoo yan.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do anything. You just have to trust and put work.
Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng lokohin yung sarili mong sarili.
Kasi
Gets
once
mo?
na pinagkatiwalaan mo na yung sarili mo, hindi ka
Yeah.
pwedeng mapahiya ng sarili mo.
Yeah.
Kailangan mong mag-work.
Yeah.
You have to put work
Yeah.
para maniwala rin yung sarili mo sa sarili mo.
Yeah. That's trust. Yun yung siguro pag narinig ng tao yung word na trust, iniisip na agad nila pag narinig yung trust is that's the second person.
Yeah, nah.
Which you forget to
Trust yourself.
trust yourself. Yung trust mo sa self mo, tanungin mo rin.
Pero kung mapapansin mo, di ba madalas kapag walang tiwala for example, there's this person na walang tiwala sa sarili niya. Wala siyang tiwala sa mga tao sa paligid niya.
Yeah. Of course.
Gets?
Yeah.
Di ba? Ganun din.
Oh.
Eh, kung yung confidence mo, mararamdaman mo na, alam mo yun, kung di ka firm
Yeah.
sa kung ano yung confidence at tiwala mo sa sarili mo,
Yeah.
hindi ka papaniwalaan ng mga tao.
Tama. Action speaks louder than words. Makikita ng tao yung action mo pag hindi ka confident, wala kang tiwala
Kita
sarili
yan.
mo. Yeah.
Kumbaga maaamoy yan. Amoy
Yeah.
yan.
You can tell your eyes, your
Maamoy yan.
pagsasalita mo. Ibig sabihin wala ka kasing tiwala sa sarili mo.
Maamoy yan.
And going back to your performance, di ba? If you think about it, if you don't trust yourself so much, hindi ka makapag-perform.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Bros, tangin na talaga. Alam mo yun, tahimik na ako sa isang gilid. Eh. Nakikita na ako ni JC eh. Ako kasi pag di ako pakali, wait, I
Yeah.
have to do something. Alakad talaga ako, pabalik-balik yan.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga ako matitigil. No, wait, I have to do something.
Yeah.
I'm here because I have to sing.
Yeah.
Hindi ko talaga pinalagpas yun.
Yeah.
Kailangan kong gumalaw. Gumalaw ako.
Good. Good.
And sa paggalaw,
Yeah.
connect
Ka na. Walang script to guys. Ha?
wala. Dedication.
Oh, man.
How tough, how dedicated are you sa
Man.
mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong mangyari?
To
What is your take about that?
the dedication, I think I said this before. That's one of my strengths. Once I truly dedicate myself into something, na kahit sabay-sabay pa sila, yung dedication ko when I put my trust in myself and I dedicate my life to the things that I'm doing, it shows. It shows by putting results. The actions
Yes.
are there. So yung dedication ko is a reflection of my action. dedication ko is a reflection of my action.
Action.
Damn, boy.
Multi.
Yeah, multi. But when it comes to dedicating myself into something, brother, it really takes me this time around. It really takes me multiple times na pag-iisip din before I dedicate something.
Mhm.
I make sure before kaya ko ba talaga. Pag-iisipan ko muna talaga, kaya ba? Before I really dedicate. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Kasi kung ako, tatanungin mo in terms of dedication, siguro nandun pa ako sa stage na if I own it, I'ma fucking get it.
Yeah.
Yung ganung pakiramdam.
Yeah.
No matter how hard it is,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter kung ano yung mawala sa paligid ko as
Yeah.
long as I'ma get that.
Yeah.
Na wala naman ako tinatapakan.
Yeah. Of
But
course.
pero kung magiging hadlang sila
Yeah.
at mararamdaman ko na din,
Mhm.
bye.
Yeah.
Alam mo, hindi ako takot na selective din naman ako sa mga taong pinakasasalamuha ko.
Lalo ngayon.
Sobrang selective ko. And that is how dedicated I am to the point that I am not afraid
Mhm.
na malagasan ako ng mga tao sa
Mm.
paligid ko. Hindi naman talaga ako, alam mo yun, the real one will really stay.
And they will let you grow.
Yes. They will
Mhm.
not hold you back.
Yeah. They will let you. They will let you grow.
They will let you go for you to
Yeah.
grow.
Yes.
And yun ang dedication para sa akin. No matter how hard it is, magkasakit man ako physically, I'ma do it.
Yeah.
Naman,
Yeah.
magkaroon man ako ng malaking problema,
Yeah.
I dedicate myself to it.
Yeah.
That's siguro ganun talaga akong klaseng tao ever since.
Yeah.
Ever since parang tinanong ko si God na kung para saan ba talaga ako.
Mhm.
Na sinagot din ni God na
Yeah.
para ka sa pagkanta.
And look at this. This is a perfect example of our dedication to the things that we love. Look at this podcast.
I dedicate. Ganda kasi no mic, bro.
No, what I mean is, if you check it out, bro, we don't get million views.
Oh, man.
No.
Yeah.
But
Diba?
we're so
Totoo.
dedicated enough that we see where we're heading at the same time, and what feelings we get every time we do the podcast. Yung dedication kasi, it doesn't have to transverse into monetary something.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It doesn't work that way. The main reason why we do this shit is because it makes us feel so good.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it makes us grow.
Yeah. Yeah. Yun yung one understanding that people needs to
It's not about the money.
open their mind into it.
Yes.
When you want to dedicate something on something, is it doesn't have to generate you revenue all the time.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Some
If-
dedication.
And also,
sometimes.
if you think about it, if you expect for monetary, do you think we're going to be talking like this?
No.
No.
Yeah. Think about that. Yeah. Wala kami nakuha ni JP dito, ha?
If you're going to
Yeah.
think about it, if you're
Yeah.
going to think now, dito ako pa kasi trabaho ko to.
Yeah. Yeah. Baka episode 5 tapos na tayo, no?
Diba? If you're
Yeah.
going to think about, no, this is not about money. This is
Yeah.
about dedication.
Yeah.
This is about our growth.
Yes.
Kasi, kumbaga guys, this is our reflection eh.
Yeah. It's part of our journey too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's very true. This is the reflection.
Yes.
I learn from you. You learn from me.
Yes.
We grow.
Yeah.
Talagang, alam mo yun, nasasaksihan natin yung nangyayari sa bawat isa.
Yeah.
And di rin naman natin alam na itong mga manonood natin.
They're picking up something too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yun nga. As long as, kasi the way tayo mag-usap is very pure.
Yeah.
Walang halong bullshit.
Yeah.
Walang barrier.
Para
Fuck
talaga
that.
nasa barbershop lang
Trip
tayo.
lang.
Oh, barbershop nga naman talaga to.
Kwentuhan talaga to.
Yeah.
Kwentong barbero talaga to. Pero ito
Yes.
yung kwento, kasi pag kwentong barbero sa paligid or sa streets, ang sinasabi ko,
BS.
barberuhan eh.
Ah,
This is not, ano ba,
Yeah,
ito yung
so different.
kwento.
yes.
Kwento ng
What
totoong
happens.
buhay
Yes.
namin.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
Man. Imagine that. The dedication that we gave to this.
Yes.
Man, it's far beyond.
Uh-huh.
And
And we're
dedication.
heading to 100 episodes.
Yeah. Think
Hey,
about it.
Antonio
39.
Aguirre, ha?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
stay there. Ikaw naman ang pupunta rito, boy.
Oh, I know. Baka naman, di ba?
Eh,
Oo,
ikaw
siya
ang
na.
pumunta rito, boy. Ako may pumunta dyan eh.
Our next word. This
Oh,
is a good one. Kasi
go ahead, bro.
dedication. This is surrender.
Okay.
My implementation about the reason why I chose that word, surrender, it's not about giving up.
Oh, yes, sir. It's not about that.
Yeah.
Go ahead. What's your take?
My take about surrender is surrendering your worries, surrendering the burdens, surrendering everything that you think na nakakabigat sa'yo.
Yeah.
Those are the things that you need to surrender to God.
I surrender.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Hindi ko sinasabing give up. That's why
Kumbaga-
I chose the word surrender. No.
Kumbaga, taking off the shackles.
Yes. Yes. Like yung video ng Fight For You.
Yeah.
If you haven't watched this, available on YouTube, it's available on
Ay,
Spotify.
nice plug, man.
You know what I
The
mean?
music video, it will be, pag na-release na po ng Wish, and we will be working on it ASAP.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
And I'm
man.
excited for that.
Yeah.
With the surrender, bro, ito pa yung hindi ko pa na master.
Uh-huh.
Is surrendering everything. Kasi I'm a man of action nga, di ba?
Yes.
I tend to move when I think I can do it. But sometimes, you just need to surrender it to God.
Yes.
Hindi yung hanap ka rin ng hanap ng solusyon. You just need to step back and leave it to God. Yung nag-isip ka na ng multiple ways, paano mo gagawin, paano mo hindi mo ma-figure out. Take a step back and surrender it to God. And
Yes.
ibigay niya sa'yo yung answer.
Yes.
That's what I meant by surrender.
That is my take also.
Yeah.
Kasi, I mean, alam mo sa sobrang madami kang ginagawa, and marami kang rin inaalala mga bagay-bagay.
Yeah.
Expectations,
Yeah.
but, the stress.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, doon nga, God is helping me out.
Yeah.
Magigising ako ng maaga,
Yeah.
bago ako bumaba ng hagdan, gaganon ako.
Yeah.
Ganyan talaga ako. Let's go. Give me the strength and wisdom that I need all throughout the day.
Yeah.
I surrender everything to you, but I'm gonna keep working.
Yeah.
Surrendering
Uh-huh.
the worries,
Yes.
surrendering everything,
Yeah.
and hold on to the promise of God.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is my take on surrender too.
Yeah. So, with that word that we chose, and the words that you heard from me and JP, pwede mo baguhin yung take mo sa surrender. Hindi ka susuko sa laban mo.
Hindi.
I-surrender mo lang yung mga bagay na
Worries.
feeling hindi mo mag-grasp. Hindi mo talaga mag-grasp yan. Kasi meron si God na solution na hindi pa lang niya binibigay sa'yo.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
You just have to be patient and keep working.
Yeah. Hindi yung surrender tapos hilata ka na.
Hindi.
May mga ganun eh.
Release mo yung bigat.
Surrender ako ngayon. Tulog muna ako.
Kumaga, yung backpack na dinadala mo, bitawan mo. Takbo ka.
Yeah, kasi may nakaplan sa'yo si God eh.
Yeah, man. You
Yeah.
just have to, alam mo yun, look on a different way
Yeah.
na magbibigay sa'yo ng positivity.
Yeah.
Because
Talk
no one is
about that.
going to give you that.
Talk about that. Positivity. Before we go to your next topic. Ito rin yung one thing that we need to master. Like what we said earlier, di ba? Pag may nangyaring masama, you think it's a loss. It's actually a lesson.
Yeah,
So if you think positive about it, it's a lesson. It's not a loss.
exactly right.
Charge it on experience. It's
Uh-huh.
still a lesson, not a loss. Oh, bro, I lost this. No, bro, I learned a lesson from what happened.
Oo nga eh. Parang mas okay na ganun mo sabihin eh.
Yeah.
I learned the lesson from what happened.
Yeah.
It's not a loss. Don't
Yeah.
say it. It's as a loss.
Yeah. It's a lesson every time, no?
It's a lesson. It
Yeah.
has to be a lesson. Even though it very looks like a loss,
Yeah. It's a lesson.
it has to be a lesson. You
Yeah.
have to see it as a lesson.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And
Next
then,
word. You know.
pasok to pare.
Sabi ko na eh. Kasi
Pasok
nakita
to.
ko yung pag ganun mo eh.
Pasok to.
Yeah.
Persistency.
Woo! Talk about persistent.
We have this, ulitin ko na lang yung kwento, no? We have this conversation, me and Mark Beats. I think you heard it. The experience of Mark was very, 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 very cloudy.
Yeah.
At siya lang din ang pinagkukuhanan namin ng lakas. Sinunto kasi ako sa ilong kanina. Siya rin ang pinagkukuhanan namin ng lakas
Mm-hmm.
on how are we going to execute our music.
Yeah.
Because way back before, wala pa talaga.
Mm-hmm.
We just have to move.
Yeah.
And sa nangyayari kay Mark Beats way back before,
Mm-hmm.
he told me this. I have to be like this.
Yeah.
Tumalikod pa siya sa akin na nasa likod niya ako. Record kami.
Yeah.
Persistency, Maji. Persistency.
Mhm.
I can see his tears.
Mhm.
When he told me that, fuck, let's go.
You felt that. You felt it.
I felt it.
Yeah.
I felt it.
Yeah.
I felt it big.
Yeah.
Because that man, di naman yun, para siyang ako eh. Hindi siya pala, alam mo yun, hindi siya pala, hindi showy ba ako sa nararamdaman ko? Oh, yeah, hindi siya pala showy.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, if as long as he can take it, he will take it.
Yeah.
Ganun siyang klaseng tao din.
Yeah.
And I can see na, he was very hurt by that
Mhm.
time. I can see that he is wounded, but
Yeah.
fuck it.
Yeah.
Nandun siya sa harap ng computer, naggumagawa kami ng music.
Yeah.
He's being persistent.
Yeah.
You have to be persistent.
Yeah.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina. Persistent, dedication, endurance.
Yeah. It's all
Medyo
put
may
together.
similarity sila eh.
Yeah.
But,
It still has its differences.
gaano ka katibay?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Gaano mo yan kagusto?
Yeah. Kasi kung hindi ka persistent, hindi mo may endure.
And I'm just lucky to have people like you, people like, alam mo yun,
Yeah.
people na,
Yeah, those are, bro.
mga tao na talagang dedicated.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ano ba sila, di ba? I mean, I cross those kind of people. The main reason is because of God. God
Yeah.
wants
Provided
me
To be, yeah.
to be inspired
Mhm.
and to be persistent too.
Yeah.
If they can do it, why can't I?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's my take on it.
Yeah.
What's your take on it?
I am persistent.
Oh, yeah. I know.
I hate me if you want, but with the things that I started, I'm very persistent. I've seen and witnesses with myself. Now, becoming persistent took me somewhere.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, becoming persistent. I built my endurance. I built my endurance by being persistent.
Yeah, yeah.
I built my strength by being persistent. I built myself for being persistent.
Yes.
With all the things that I've done in my life, bro, ever since, barbering was one thing that really changed my life, and being persistent at it, kahit ganito lang yung kinikita ko noon, kahit ganito lang yung nangyari, but it led me to where I am sitting now.
Yeah.
Being a barber, being persistent in that area led me to all of this that's happening in my life.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
And-
And that's just the barbering end. But it took a lot. It took a lot of me. It took a lot of lesson.
Yeah.
Not losses. It took a lot of lesson for me to gain the stuff that I'm able to gain now. And being persistent, yung reflection sa tao was a very valuable for me. Kasi na-motivate din sila. Not just you.
Oh, yes.
I've heard this from people na magme-message na, bro, man, you're very persistent. Kahit alam ko naiirita na kayo minsan sa mga posts ko eh. Alam mo, paulit-ulit lang. Paulit-ulit yung shoes, yung ganito, yung ganito. But that's one key of you showing that you're working also. And how persistent you are. That you're able to ma-motivate yung tao na, man, if he's doing it, I could do it too. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Minsan hindi ba kayo nagugulat sa post? Bro, sometimes it only takes minutes from me doing that to another thing. Have you seen the story today?
I haven't today.
Yeah, if you look at the story, it's like, man, nandun siya kanina, but parang yung story nito nandun na siya. Tapos sasabi that. That's the key of being persistent.
Yeah.
Being persistent, bro, will take you somewhere.
Yes.
Somewhere. I'm telling you this on God's faith, man, on God's hands. Persistent will take you somewhere.
Oh, yes.
You don't need to be super smart. You don't need to be super rich. Talo mo pa yung mayaman kung persistent ka.
Oo.
Kasi mayaman na sila eh. Mas maano mo pa sila.
You gotta move.
Yeah.
And alam mo yun, may ganyan din ako instance na yung mga tao na mismo nagsasabi sa akin, no? Ang ganda ng galaw mo ngayon, ha?
Yeah.
Even though, in my end,
Yeah.
the one who's putting work,
Mhm.
it's not enough for me yet.
Yeah.
But the people around you, I mean, kasi meron kaming instance na matagal ko ng mga kaibigan niya, nagkita-kita kami ulit.
Mhm.
Yung mga 29, 28 na years old na yung mga batch ko dati.
Yeah.
And then, nagkaroon kami ng chance na magkita-kita and they told me, ganda ng galaw mo ngayon, ha? We are watching you.
Yeah.
Huh? Thank you.
Magugulat ka lang, bro. Di ba? Magugulat ka minsan kasi hindi naman nagla-like tong mga taon to. Hindi mo naman nakita
Oo.
nag-view. Pero bigla pag nakita mo, bro, nakita ko yung ano mo, ha? Ha? Hindi ka naman nag-pop up sa
Exactly.
notification.
Oo,
They're
hindi.
watching, bro.
Wala. But they're watching you.
Yeah, they're
Gusto ko
watching.
yung galaw. Gulat ako. Lahat sila eh. That's excited. Gusto ko yung galaw mo ngayon, ha? I'm watching. I'm
Yeah.
watching you, ha?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
But for me, in my end, it's not enough. But I say thanks, man. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. I really appreciate if you appreciate what I do.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Yeah.
But in my end, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not yet done, bro.
Yeah.
What?
We're just barely getting started, G. You feel me? Persistent. Talk about persistent. We have another P on the next word.
What's that?
Peace. How peaceful are you with yourself now?
Oh man.
This is a good one. This is our last topic.
So for now, I'll be honest, no.
Yeah.
In terms of peace, I think I'm in a battle mode right now.
Yeah.
No. So I cannot. Yeah, there was peaceful at some point kasi syempre I've been doing the targets
Yeah.
step by step. But at the same time, I'm at war. Kasi hindi pa enough talaga yung dapat kong makuha.
Of course.
So it's
You're
a
hungry.
battle. It's a battle within me.
Yeah.
You know, it's a battle within me.
Yeah.
And thank God kasi yung peace, kahit pa paano balance yung peace ko.
Yeah.
Balance yung ano ko, yung blue and red ko.
Yeah. Yeah.
Balance sila.
Yeah.
Yeah, for now, that's my stand on peace. Balance ako ngayon, balance.
That's good.
But I'm very hungry. So hungry.
Yeah.
Rawr.
Outside, before I say my take, outside from the things that you want to achieve, but what I meant with peace, brother, is how peaceful are you within yourself right now?
Oh, within myself, I've been at peace within myself ever since.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in peace within.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, sa sarili ko sobrang madala yung peaceful
Mm-hmm.
na kasi I embrace myself.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I embrace myself. Mulat ako sa sarili ko.
Yeah.
Alam ko yung ginagawa kong mali at alam ko yung ginagawa kong tama.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's how peaceful I am.
Yeah.
Na to the point na hindi ko pwedeng hayaan na maramdaman ng ibang tao
Yeah.
kung meron man akong dinadala.
Yeah.
I have to keep it within me.
Yeah.
Solve it within me.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, that's it. That's my take on it.
Yeah.
I'm peaceful within me. I'm very peaceful. I'm a peaceful
Good.
person, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not, hindi ako ganun ka pusok na tao.
Yeah.
Tapos na ako sa pusok.
Actually, yeah. Totoo, no? Sa tagal natin magkasama, P, hindi pa kita nakikita yung parang outrage ka.
Hindi. Ayoko.
Yeah.
Why would I?
Yeah.
Gets? Why would I? May times, oo.
Oo.
Pero sa akin lang yun.
Kaya mong kontrolin eh.
Hindi to the point na kontrolin ako ng galit ko.
Yeah.
Kasi inisip ko pa rin kahit paano kung namaramdaman ng tarantadong to.
Yeah.
Gets?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi at the end of the day, if I'm going to be angry,
Mm-hmm.
yung stress level sa akin lang yun eh.
Mm-hmm.
Ako rin yung lugi. Ulo ko lang yung sasakit.
Mm-hmm.
Siya. Oo
Yeah.
nga, meron akong mga bagay na kayang gawin. But why would I do it?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, yung stress ko nasa kanya pa rin kasi isipin ko pa rin siya.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of my life.
Yeah.
Ayun.
You know why I kept repeating the peace word to
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Kasi from the time we've started to where we're at now,
Uh-huh.
ilang months na, no? November is
Mag-1 year
in
na tayo.
September, October. 2 months na lang, no?
Oh.
So, 10 months na magkasama tayo. I think this month was the most peaceful I've seen you.
Yeah. Light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know a lot of things happened to you,
Yes.
pero I've seen. You know why I'm able to say you're so much at peace even though there's so many things happening around
Oh,
you,
yes.
because of, bro, your appearance. You look so calm even though ang dami nangyayari.
Oo naman. No.
Gets?
But puta, dami nito.
It's like, dami nangyayari. I think you're
Dami
able,
nito.
and that you're developing your maturity
Yeah.
and showing the peace side of you. Kasi makikita sa
29.
mukha yan sa tao eh.
Yo, bro. Sinabi rin sa akin ng
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo kanina, bro, no, walang kabaklaan, pero sabi ko, pogi ka. Kasi you're at peace.
I'm at peace, yeah.
And you're at peace because you're happy.
Yes. I'm doing a lot. I'm fulfilling my soul.
Yes.
I'm one by one checking all the goals.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dami ko rin natutunan sa sarili ko.
Mm-hmm.
Yun na talagang you really have to fulfill yourself first.
Yeah.
You cannot fulfill it, someone or anyone.
Yeah.
You have to fulfill yourself, love yourself, because the energy doesn't lie.
Yeah.
Yung producer ni Neo, we had a phone call once again, and he told me it looked good.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, ano na ako eh, free na from.
You're at peace.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm at peace.
Yeah.
And I'm free to to express
Yes.
myself.
Yes.
And thank God if someone is going to be inspired.
Yeah. Man, talk about peace.
How about you?
Peace, for me, brother, is going back to the point na, of course, with all the things that I'm doing, all the things that what's happening, I feel at peace when I give it all to him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. When I
Yeah,
just ask
same.
for wisdom. Yun yung ibig sabihin sa peace also.
Same.
It's almost connected to the word surrender.
Yes.
I'm at peace when I surrender the things that I can't control.
Yes. And with us saying surrender, guys, surrender.
Yeah.
Surrender the worries.
Yes.
Surrender the shackle
Yes.
and move forward.
Yun eh, pag binigay mo lang talaga yung, kunyari, you have to make a decision na alam mong, ikaw lang makakapag-decide nun. Hindi ka at peace kasi ginugulo ka ng isip mo, ano kaya ang gagawin ko? Gawin ko kaya to? Ito kaya, pag ginawa ko to, ito pwede mangyari. So ngayon, surrender it to him, and then you, just in a snap, you'll feel the answer that you need to do.
Yes, sir.
Kasi sinurrender mo na. And then you feel at peace.
Oh, man. Thank you for that.
Yeah. Minsan may mga big decisions talaga akong kailangan gawin. Na, I feel that's anxious. Yung parang,
Oo,
man,
naman.
pag ginawa ko to, mangyari. Pag di ko naman ginawa to, ito naman pwede mangyari. So what I did was just, you know what? Hindi ko muna siya iisipin. Surrender ko muna sa kanya. Alam kong bibigay niya naman sa akin yung sagot in time, in the perfect timing.
Just gotta do it.
So that's peace to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung hindi mo alam, no? Sinurrender mo, biglang ang sagot sa'yo, mas maganda pala. Gets?
That's very true.
Yeah.
Nandun din ako sa stage na yun ngayon. So, yeah. Just gotta keep working.
Yeah. Surrender to him. And all the time, we put God in the center.
Keep working.
Yes. Man, another great episode. Another great episode.
It was good because a lot of things happened.
Yeah. Yeah. And for the people na sumusuporta sa atin dito. I mean, it's such a blessing na si God, people are really watching.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, slowly people are watching kasi nakikita ko sa YouTube channel natin when I'm posting it, people are commenting. Sinasabi na, you guys keep on going. Sabi nila, this should be a crime na yung episodes nyo is only like this numbers. Nakaka-motivate. Pero sinusurrender na lang natin, na ginagawa na lang natin yung mga bagay na ganito. Kasi hindi naman natin na iniisip yun eh.
Yung result ba?
Pero inaano lang ni God na parang minsan pinaparinggan niya ako na pag binabasa akong gano'n na message ni God sa atin niya na, damn.
Let's go.
Keep going.
Let's go.
Keep going.
Yeah, man. A lot of things. Fuck. Episode 100, I can't wait.
I know.
Dahil pang possibility. Sobrang daming possibilities.
Dami. If you guys can see too, we haven't had a guest. I think
For the past how many episodes?
3 episode ba? Joy?
For
Wala
the past
tayong guest. 3
no
episode, 4.
guest.
3 episode, no? Mga 3 episode.
Yeah,
I
because
think we're enjoying this too.
we are busy. We have priorities.
Yeah.
We have a story to tell.
Yeah.
We have works. A
Baka
lot
kasi
of work.
mamaya may guest tayo hindi na nakapagsasalita sa mag-uusap natin dalawa.
Kasi kailan mo plano mo mag-guest? Wala ka pang...
I haven't really
Next
thought
time,
about it.
oh.
Yeah, I
Kasi
haven't really thought
we've been-
about pulling a guest.
We've been out of pila before this.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are very busy. We have a book.
Yeah.
A book to write down and tell the story.
Yeah.
So we are good
Yeah.
as of the moment.
Yes. Pero
And,
if you would like, just message us.
go here.
And yeah, go here. Okay naman pumunta.
Kasi na-experience namin yung na-experience namin yung back and forth ng 3 consecutive days yun, di ba?
Yeah.
And we just put work on that shit,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
And big shout
Dedication, bro.
Oh, big shout out to
It's more than
Antonio. Big shout out to Dane Gorospe
Meron pa
for
isa.
welcoming us. Ano ba una?
Before kay Antonio. Before
Dane
kay
muna bago Antonio eh.
Meron pa before nun eh. Sino ba?
I think Harvey can answer it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hindi
after Dane is Antonio.
Yeah.
But before Dane, I think we're here eh.
I can't remember anymore. Dami natin yung episode eh.
Ang dami na.
Yeah. That's not easy to say.
Oh,
That
boy.
is not easy to say. And we can say that because it took dedication for us to be here every single time.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Episode 14 na next week.
Wow.
14 na.
Damn.
Yeah, we have a lot of story to tell. And
40.
yo, magiging every Tuesday na tayo, bro.
Yes, every
Oh, kasi
Tuesday.
may show kami kasi ni ni
Ito na, plug na natin.
plug na natin yung
Before we close out
Yeah.
this show. This
Yeah.
show.
It's a show, bro.
Yeah, this is a show, a live one too.
It's a show.
Brother, go ahead. Plugs
Yeah.
your plugs.
Fighting for You is now available sa lahat ng music platforms. Pakinggan nyo na bago pa to sumabog ng tuluyan. And Wish 107.5, please release the Wish performance. Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, Wish.
If
Excited na kami
it's
dyan.
going to give a big wave.
Yes.
And see you Wish Music Awards. And yes, check me out on Spotify, Apple Music, Facebook page, Instagram. It's just JP Bacalian.
Yes.
Everywhere. And so yung show po namin ni Paring Toyo, it's a variety show. It's every Monday. Pupunta kami sa mga barangay nyo at mamimigay kami ng limpak-limpak na papremyo. So,
Woo!
see
Blessing.
you.
Blessing.
See you. Kahapon nga pala, brother, it was a wild experience there, man.
Yeah.
Kwento ko ba?
Tondo kayo?
Di.
Saan ba kayo?
Sa barangay Bahay Toro.
Where's
lala.
this?
Slum, super slum ng Quezon City.
Yeah.
Bro, lala doon. But yeah, the people were very happy.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, nandun kami na nag-iikot-ikot sa barangay para mamigay.
Yeah.
And it feels so good how the people are welcoming us. They're very happy. They're wild at the same time.
Yeah.
Very happy. I can see how happy they are. And yun yung nagtatanggal ng pagod namin.
Yeah. I bet.
Seeing the
People.
smiles of those people.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Iba pala talaga.
Yeah.
Yung mga ginagawa nila Jose at Wally.
Yeah.
Iba talaga pag nandun ka na.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm new to hosting, duh.
Ano? Grabe, no? Check out your girl this past. Bro, now you have a podcast, you have a show. You have
Yeah, man. I have a lot.
Congratulations.
to play.
And you have more to go.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, di ko sinasara yung sarili ko dito and I'm eyeing to have my own show too.
Yeah.
On God.
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah.
JB Bacalian show in this bitch.
Yes, sir. So yun mga
And also, download Babs that app, bruh. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. JP, huwag mong kalimutan i-plug palagi pag nasa show ka.
Oy, ina-plug ko yan. Hindi nakakaalam yan. Alam mo ako sa Manangkil yan eh.
But yeah, mga kababs, if you guys haven't downloaded Babs app yet, it's available in Google Play and iOS Store. As of right now, mga kababs, we have 1,470 users that's already downloaded our app. Mga barbers natin, hinihintay pa rin namin kayo. But we're trying to find a way to get to you guys' heart.
We will
Watch.
get you.
Yeah, we
We
will
will
get you
get
guys.
you.
And of course, if you haven't followed Babs app yet, please follow us here sa Facebook, Babs that app. on our YouTube account, mapapanood nyo rin tong
Episode
rerun
na
ng
to.
episode natin, Babs_app. And if you haven't followed me on my personal account, it's Babs, Mr. Babs. And very soon, Manila will see you guys. Mandaluyong, tsaka sa Taguig, we're opening up Impeccable Shoes. And then Impeccable Cuts, pag hindi pa nakapagpagupit dito around Laguna.
Go
Of
ahead.
course, another thing, malapit na po ang election. Stealth printing. Pag kailangan nyo po ng
Lapit
mga...
na nun,
Actually, marami na ako nakakausap. So, mabibisi din ako dun sa darating na...
Bossing!
Kamusta ang buhay? And of course, Bellotti. If you guys haven't checked out their page, please do. It's on Facebook, Bellotti.
Bellotti.
Yes, sir. So, close this episode out. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood na tong episode number 39 natin.
Signing out.
With my
Peace.
co-hosts, JB Bacalyan and Mr. Babs. We'll see you
Yo,
guys
shout
real
out to
soon.
Two Joints. Shout out to
Yes,
Raw
sir.
Star.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
bro. Let's go.
Peace.